royal person could be coming here with no concern, no remorse in their heart, nothing at all to say, I am sorry, or please forgive me, or see a school here, see a hospital here, see some reparations money here, nothing at all. They have this what they call gentry privilege. That they feel that because they were born of the womb of Eliza Witch of England, that they can just walk up in here anytime they feel like it and we must just lay a red carpet for them. Those days are over. I wish the whole of Jamaica would be here to protest, and we need to be here. Yes, of course, people are in their jobs and can't leave. I'm here to represent my ancestors. I'm here to represent all those who can be represented. I'm here to represent all those who died in slavery and got murdered because of white people's oppression. I'm here to represent my family in the future. When I'm dead and gone, there are Jamaicans going to be here and Africans going to be here who need to understand we have to maintain our dignity and our self-respect. We cannot continue to allow white people to dominate us, do all manner of evil to us, and we sit back and pretend that it's not happening. I've seen our Prime Minister, who I have lost respect for, go to England and get a Queen's Counsel Award at a time when Jamaica is supposed to be leaving out of this madness, this colonial domination, at a time when we should be kicking the Queen and our people out of our country, dumping the Governor General and all these people, all these colonial trappings, we need to get rid of them. And at this time I see my Prime Minister going to England to go and accept the Queen's Counsel Award. I can't tell you how disgusted and ashamed I was to see that man do that. You know, and that is the reason why I'm here today, to condemn those of us black people who refuse to stand up for our rights, who refuse to denounce European colonization, who refuse to come from under this shackle of slavery. I'm here to tell Jamaican people, get up off your butts and stand up and for your rights. Bob Marley taught us, Marcus Garvey taught us, and they better believe if Paul Bogle didn't get up and fight, we would not be here talking right now, all this nice talk on TV and all these things. So if we don't stand up for our rights as black people, if we don't stand up against brutality, colonialism, domination, we're going to always be under the foot of the colonial master. The Queen has been in office for 70 years, and there's no indication that she plans to apologize. There's no indication that these European people plan to pay us reparations. And I want to tell you something, if we don't get up and demand it, we will never get it. And that's why I'm here today, to respect and to show my appreciation for my ancestors, and to stand up and fight for future generations and all of those brothers who could make it here tonight.